Thank you for joining this lesson. Today we are going to discuss a question on commercial arithmetic, whereby we have been given the table below shows monthly income tax rates for a certain year. We have monthly income in Kenya shillings. We have tax rates in each shilling. So we have been told in that year a monthly personal tax relief of 1,280 shillings was allowed. Then in a certain month of that year, Sila earned a monthly basic salary of 52,000 Kenya shillings. Also a house allowance of 7,800 and a commuter allowance of 5,000. Then you have been asked about to calculate Sila's taxable income. Sila's taxable income. Alright, if you know about taxable income, to get taxable income is given as the basic salary plus the basic salary plus all taxable allowances. Now our man here is having a basic salary of 52,000. The basic salary is 52,000, whereby we are going to add now the allowances. And the allowance we have for a house allowance of 7,800 and a commuter allowance of 5,000. Now if we add, you see I'm getting 64,500 shillings. 64,500 shillings. That is it. On part B of the question, we have been told to calculate the net tax payable by Sila that month. You see now this man is going to pay some tax, and we are going to rely on our basic all our taxable income which we have been got. And let us see in our first band. In our first band we have 1,000, that is 11,180, and we can say it is 11,180. It is being taxed at a rate of 10%. That is 10%. Now you see I'm getting 1,118. Again on our second band, we are going to subtract to the 21,714 from the previous band. When we subtract, we are getting 10,534. When we subtract, I'm getting 10,534 multiply by this amount is being taxed at the rate of 15%, and 15% of 10,534 is equivalent to 51,580.1. Again, in that band we are going to take 32,248. we subtract 21,714, and you see I'm getting the exact amount, which is 10,534, and it is being taxed at a rate of 20%, whereby now I'm getting 2,106.8. Then again, fourth band we have 42,782. we subtract from the previous band, which is I'm getting again the exact amount, which is 10,534. Then it is being taxed at a rate of 25%, whereby now I'm getting 42,633 point five. Now finally, I'm going to take anything above 42,782. That is from 64,000. This is the 64,500. You less 42,782, and I'm getting what? Here we are getting 21,000. Getting 21,718. Then it is being taxed at a rate of 30%, whereby now I'm getting the tax as 6,515.4. Now after that, we are going to add the taxes, and if we add the tax which we have been doing in all the bands, I'm getting the gross now. The gross tax now becomes 13,950.8. That way 13,958. Again, remember we have been told to find what? The net tax. If we want to find the net tax is given by the gross tax minus what? The relief, personal relief. The gross tax minus relief. Now when you take the gross tax, which is 13,950, you subtract from relief, and our relief is 1,280. I'm getting 12,670.8. that way. That is it. So our man has got a net tax payable for that month, which is 12,670.8 shillings. Thank you very much. Subscribe and share.